Here's a step-by-step guide to get a UFC Fight Pass. So first, visit the UFC Fight Pass website at welcome.ufcfightpass.com. Click the big sign up button. Wait for it to load, and now choose from one of the 4 subscription options: monthly, ultimate monthly, annual, or ultimate annual. Once you've made your choice, click the select license button. If you don't already have an account, create one by providing your details. Now, read and agree to the terms of service. Choose a payment method, PayPal or card. If you have a promo code, enter it on this page. After completing your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. And now you have a UFC Fight Pass.